Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome once again to the channel. And today I have a very small unboxing of sorts and first impressions of a team called the Crime Syndicate, and they first appeared in a hardcover graphic edition called JLA Earth 2, which I'm going to showcase and show you today. And this book was done by none other than Grant Morrison. Also a hardcover edition along with special DVDs, etc. So which I'm going to showcase and show to you in this video. So let's get right to this one. So what does Earth 2 contain? So this one is like kind of like a flip-flop a back cover that is there, which showcases all the stuff that is inside of this. Like it says, it has the hardcover edition. It also has the DVDs. First, I'm going to show you the DVDs that comes with it. As you can see, it's on Justice League Crisis of Two Earths. Those are the two DVDs which is contained within those set. It's very beautiful, the back cover with the DVDs. But obviously our main item for today is the book itself. It's a popular story, and like you could see the three characters here, and you could in fact flip it around and see the three Justice League members right there, right? So the familiar faces of Superman, Batman and Wonder Woman are there, and if I'm not wrong, this is Ultraman, this is Owlman, and this is Superwoman, right? So those are the three powerful characters from Earth 2, not the DC continuity Earth where the Justice League is there. So yep, it has some vouchers and free codes and all that, and I'm just showing you the brilliant artwork that Quietly has put together for this edition. And that's the reason why I would recommend that if you want to buy this, would definitely recommend buying more of hardcovers, because it really brings out the beauty of the art. And you could see Lex Luthor here, and in fact, spoiler alert, the story kind of like flips around a lot of characters on how they are in our Earth, because Lex Luthor is a hero on Earth 2, whereas a lot of Justice League members are villains. So it flips around a lot of things. But the story is around how this Earth crosses over with our Earth, and what are the repercussions of that, right? How does it feel then the heroes start to meet their alter egos, their darker alter egos. Obviously all this changes entirely now with the dark multiverse coming in, which is a completely evil versions of the characters in the multiverse. But again, in the past, Earth 2 villains, and they are called the Crime Syndicate if I'm not wrong, those are the characters which are covered in this book, and they had a major role to play in the New 52 version. So if you guys have read Trinity War and Forever Evil, and then it continues to Injustice League, so in all those stories, these characters who feature in Earth 2 plays a major role, which is fantastic, right? So I felt the story was, I've read this before, and the story is quite brilliant. It brings on a different shade to the characters we know and love. At the same time, it also shows how some things are just beyond even the heroes, right? It's not like they could go to any Earth or any world and then change it the way they want, because each world functions in a different way, and that is very cleverly brought out by Grant Morrison in this book. What I'm doing is I'm just flipping through some pages so that you get a glimpse of the artwork which is in store for you guys. There are also a couple of characters. I think there is a speedster. His name is Johnny Silver, and his lover is called Atomica. So there are such characters as well, along with another form of Green Lantern. I forgot his exact name, but you see the entire almost the entire Justice League flipped around in Earth 2. I think except for Martian Manhunter and Aquaman, I think those are the two characters who doesn't have equals in Earth 2. But other than that, I think most of the other characters do have it. And because this is kind of like a deluxe edition, it also has a lot of artwork on this, on how the character development happened. So, and then it goes on to all the scripts that Grant had written, as well as some page sketches, which is great. So if you are a lover of Earth 2, I would definitely recommend you getting your hands on this special edition, which also features, like I said earlier, the DVDs in here. And it's quite a small book. It's not a really big book, but because of all the extras, this one is pretty thick as compared to the normal edition. So that's it, guys. That's JLA Earth 2. I enjoyed it quite a lot. I would say a 4 for story and 4.5 for artwork for this book. Until next time, this is Street Smart Joker signing off. Bye bye.